Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Best Home Office Design Ideas 2025 Stylish and Productive Workspace Inspiration. With more people working from home, the importance of a well-designed, productive workspace has never been greater. Your home office should be more than just a place to work. It should inspire creativity, enhance focus, and reflect your personal style. As we look toward 2025, home office design is evolving with a blend of functionality, style, and technology. Whether you're creating a small corner office or revamping an entire room, the right design can transform your space into an oasis of productivity. In today's video, we'll explore the best home office design ideas for 2025, giving you stylish and innovative solutions to create a workspace that's not only efficient but also aesthetically pleasing. From ergonomic furniture to smart technology, these trends will elevate your home office experience, helping you work smarter, not harder. Ready to design a workspace you'll love? Let's dive in and get inspired with these top tips and ideas. Ergonomic furniture for comfort. When designing a home office for productivity, comfort is key. Ergonomic furniture, chairs with lumbar support, adjustable desks, and wrist-friendly keyboards can make a significant difference in your workday. Invest in a high-quality office chair that promotes good posture and reduces strain, and pair it with a standing desk to keep your body moving throughout the day. Comfort meets style in 2025. Statement pieces and focal decor. A focal point in your home office, like a stylish desk, unique bookshelf, or statement chair, can elevate the entire design. These standout pieces anchor the space and give it character. Don't shy away from bold colors, textured finishes, or eye-catching artwork that showcases your style. In 2025, home office design is about blending functionality with artistic expression to create a workspace that inspires. Personalized and stylish decor. Your home office should reflect your personality and taste. Incorporate stylish decor like artwork, inspirational quotes, or family photos to make the space feel uniquely yours. Choose a color palette that energizes you, whether it's calming neutrals or bold accents, and use textures like rugs, cushions, or curtains to add depth and warmth. A personalized office makes workdays more enjoyable and inspiring. Multifunctional workspaces. As home offices become more central to daily life, creating a multifunctional space is a must. Design your home office with versatility in mind. Think fold-out desks, convertible furniture, or a cozy reading nook for breaks. A multi-purpose design allows you to switch between focused work, meetings, and relaxation effortlessly. This flexibility not only enhances productivity, but also makes your workspace feel dynamic and adaptable. Acoustic panels and soundproofing. In open or noisy environments, acoustic panels and soundproofing are crucial for focus. Soundproof curtains, rugs, or wall-mounted acoustic panels help absorb noise and create a quieter workspace. This is particularly helpful for those working in shared spaces or households with children. A soundproofed home office ensures minimal distractions and a peaceful, productive workday. Lighting for productivity and ambience. Good lighting is essential for a productive home office. In 2025, the trend is all about layering your lighting. Natural light, task lighting, and ambient lighting should work together to create an optimal work environment. Position your desk near a window to maximize daylight, and add adjustable task lights to reduce eye strain. For a cozy vibe, consider warm-toned ambient lights that set a calm and focused mood, ideal for those long work sessions. Biophilic design and nature-inspired elements. Bringing the outdoors inside is a major trend in 2025 home office design. Biophilic elements such as indoor plants, natural wood finishes, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light help create a refreshing and invigorating workspace. Greenery not only enhances the aesthetics but also improves air quality and boosts mental well-being. Incorporating plants into your office can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Minimalist and clutter-free design. A clean and clutter-free workspace boosts focus and reduces stress. Minimalist home offices with sleek furniture and simple decor help create a calm environment for focused work. Opt for built-in storage solutions like floating shelves or hidden cabinets to keep paperwork, gadgets, and supplies organized. Declutter your space and watch your productivity soar. And that wraps up our top home office design ideas for 2025. Whether you're focused on functionality, sustainability, or aesthetics, these tips will help you create a workspace that's both stylish and productive. From ergonomic furniture to smart technology and biophilic design, your home office can be a place where comfort meets creativity, ensuring that every workday feels both efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. We hope these ideas have inspired you to revamp your home office for the new year. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more design inspiration, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite home office trend for 2025? Let us know below, and until next time, stay productive and stylish.